Join me for the unboxing of the world's greatest toothbrush on the planet, and that would be the Braun Oral-B toothbrush. And it doesn't matter what model Oral-B, but this particular one is the Pro 5000 that I got off of Amazon. And I have been an admirer of Oral-B for the last 15 years, and it has saved me literally thousands of dollars. Now, one of the reasons I got this particular Oral-B is because I lost my last one, and I've been using the same model, the Braun Oral-B 3728, but unfortunately I lost my last one, and so I'm going to go ahead and use this one now. Pretty much the same concept, uses the same charger, and it has the same patented design to give awesome cleaning. The good thing, the one reason I love Oral-B is, one reason is they use the same kind of charger, so it doesn't matter where you're at. If you're at a family member that also has an Oral-B, you can use the same charger. It's just simply lay it on this base, plug the base up, and being that it's a newer toothbrush, it'll probably only take, like 15 minutes to charge. As you can see there, it's lighting it up here. If you fully use it, it starts to get low. Most likely it would take you about 30 minutes to charge it. But that's another thing about Oral-B. Not only are they superior electric toothbrushes, but they last forever. I mean, mine lasted for, like I said, well over 10 years. And of course, you can replace these brushes. They all pop out, and like I said, they're pretty universal, like the chargers. So as long as you get Oral-B toothbrush heads, they'll fit on all these models. And right here, as you can see, that's where the charger goes into, right here. The brush just pops on like that. As you can see there, it's got Bluetooth, so you can hook it up to your smartphone. And it's got more than one speed. I think it's got about 3 or 4 speeds. So that's like slow, medium, and fast. It probably needs to be charged. You might ask, why do I say Oral-B is the best electric toothbrush or toothbrush in general on the planet? It has this patented design that goes in a circle, and it cups your tooth. So literally, as it's going around, it's cupping the tooth. And it's getting in between the gums, right? And of course on the outside and the back. And I like the size of it. It's not too big. So if you compare it to the Sonicare, the Philips Sonicare, it's shaped like a normal toothbrush. And the reason I do not like these is because it's not in the shape of a tooth. So as it's going around, it's parallel to your teeth, but as you know, teeth are more organically rounded in a spear shape. So to me, the round shape is like in the shape of a tooth, and it's easier to get around, like say like at the back where your wisdom tooth was. It can hit around like this, and it's going, I think it hits the creases much more, and it's actually cupping the tooth as you're going around. As opposed to a Philips or other electric toothbrush, it's more awkward, and I can't reach in the back as well as I can with an Oral-B, and it's just a lot more awkward. And of course, like I said, the Oral-B is patented, so no one else could make a toothbrush like this. And it goes in a round motion, not 360 degrees, but it goes 180. So it's actually like this, buffering, going back and forth around. And you basically just let the toothbrush do all the work. You don't even have to put any muscle, and they actually recommend that you don't. You just basically line it up. Now, you can set it to where it'll have a timer. So per each section, it'll stop and beep. But I don't like that. I just like going manually. Comes with this case. I think it's best if you store your electric toothbrush laying down as opposed to standing up on the case. Moisture will actually go down into the battery and it'll wear it out a lot quicker, because you can just put it like that, and then you can of course keep the bacteria away from it. But I used to have really bad oral care. I didn't take care of my teeth when I was a teenager and in my 20s. I drank a lot of soda, and I would get a lot of cavities down here. As a matter of fact, I have had about a total of 20 cavities that I had to get fillings, and I actually have 3 crowns. I actually have 2 crowns here, 1 crown here, just because of bad dental care and I wasn't taking care of them. But I was recommended an Oral-B about 15 years ago, and I have not had a cavity since in the last 16 years. So like I said, I had the Oral-B 3728, and I basically wore the battery out over 11 years. And I went on eBay and bought a used one that still had a good battery for like $9. And I've used it the last 4 years, but unfortunately I lost it while I was traveling. Let me know if you have an Oral-B and what you think of it. If you have never used one before, I'd highly recommend you use one for the rest of your life. As a matter of fact, I only use it once a day at night after my last meal. I don't brush twice a day. I just use it once a day. And I don't even use toothpaste. If I'm just going to be honest with you, I just put water on it and I brush. And like I said, I have not had a cavity. Now I do floss once a day, but I have not had a cavity in 15 years. I just recently had a checkup and my teeth look great. And the dentist just said, keep doing what you're doing. And so I will never stop using Oral-B. And again, like I said, it doesn't matter what model that you have. You can have a 7000, this is a 5000. Just as long as you have an electric toothbrush that's an Oral-B, you can't go wrong. All right, thanks so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe.